Hello everybody. I just received another package and look what it is. It's an Apple iHub. No, I'm just kidding. It's not from Apple. I guess it's from M.I.C, some Chinese Apple fake products producer in China. It's a 4-port USB hub. The packaging looks really nice. Could be an Apple product. I don't actually know why Apple isn't producing it and selling it for about $50. This one here just cost, I guess, 6, 7, 8, maybe 10, including shipping. The little Apple logo will be lightning or illuminating. And what's else in this package? I guess there's another USB cord in it, and yes, of course, there it is. And quick look around: 1, 2, 3, 4 USB ports and one micro USB, or is it mini USB port to connect it to your Mac or whatever laptop you use. So let's put it in, and it's a little bit too shiny in here, but you can see it's definitely glooming. And I have here another external hard drive, 2.5 inch, just one USB port, and still lightning, and the HD is starting, it's blinking, and as you can see on the MacBook, it's working. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all guys all got your USB iHub in Apple style.